si Mr. Unico Iho, the CEO of Casa de France Modeling Academy.
Alright, good morning everyone. So, I'm Unico Iho, CEO and Event Director of this event. Thank you so much, Farmers Cubao, for having us here. And first, before we proceed, meron po tayong board of judges where sila po yung mag-judge based dun sa mga performance ng mga candidates natin. And para legit at para transparent tayo, yung mga judges natin will going to rise their scores. So, visible po siya for each and every one. Okay? So, ang lowest score natin will be 7. Tama ba? 8, sorry. Lowest natin is 8 and highest is 10. Okay? So, our models, free kayong tignan, i-memorize, or parents nila, free kayong picturean yung mga scores ng mga models nyo para at least fair tayo sa scoring system natin. Okay? Ayun lang. Thank you so much and wish you luck for the 17 inches height crown from Casa de France Modeling Academy. And Board of Judges, thank you so much. Our photographers and videographers, pangmalakasan natin mga photographers. So we have actually 7 photographers here. Thank you so much po. And sa mga sponsors po natin, Mami Ann and Mami Queen, thank you so much sa sponsors. And kay Mami Nichika na ayaw magpasabi. And of course, si Mami Aiko. Thank you so much po.
Alright, maraming salamat po Mr. Unico. And now,